the United Kingdom, the new unified heavyweight champion of the world.
Buhat ng maging unified heavyweight champion noong 2015 nang talunin niya si Vladimir Klitschko by a unanimous decision, ay tila nalula siya sa kanyang nakakasilaw na tagumpay.
I'd wake up and I think, why did I wake up this morning? This is coming from a man who had everything: money, fame, glory, titles.
Sa kanyang kaliwat kanang selebrasyon ay tila ba nawalan na ito ng motibasyon sa pagbuboksing. Hanggang sa tuluyan na nga itong nalulong sa alak at sa droga.
From drink, drugs, and his darkest moments.
Na naging dahilan upang mapabayaan niya rin ang kanyang pag-iensayo.
I didn't care about boxing. I'd wake up and I think, why did I wake up this morning?
Dahil nga sa kawalan ng disiplina sa kanyang sarili, ay tuluyan ng tumaas ang timbang nito at lumobo.
Something like a fighter's body.
Amidst a life of unmitigated excess, he ballooned to almost 400 pounds.
He was in a bad way, and he was in a worse way than we thought he was, because we didn't know what was going on.
Fury looked like a beaten man.
Dahilan upang hindi ito makalaban muli at para madepensahan ang kanyang mga titulo.
3-year timeline which saw the downfall of a heavyweight icon.
There you go. Something like a fighter's body.
Kaya unti-unti ding inalis sa kanya ang kanyang mga title belt.
It's been 6 months and I've put everything in the gym for this and I just can't believe it and I've got it.
At dahil din sa paulit-ulit niyang pagbagsak sa kanyang mga drug testing, maging ang kanyang lisensya sa pagboboxing ay tuluyan na ring sinuspinde.
Thoughtless behavior and a suspended license. Reaching his own Mount Everest wasn't quite everything he had imagined.
Dahil nga dito ay tuluyan na siyang nagpakalango sa mga bisyo, hanggang sa nawalan na rin siya ng ganang mabuhay.
I didn't care about boxing. I didn't care about living. I just wanted to die. And I was going to have a good time doing it while I was doing it.
Same car, got the same watch.
Sinking into a downward spiral of drink and drug-fueled depression.
Ang kanya namang ama na dating professional boxer na naging inspirasyon niya rin upang pumasok sa mundo ng boxing ay tila wala ring nagawa para mapigilan siya.
Along with the best of them, isn't it, to be honest with you, because it is an intriguing story. Because 2 years ago, I thought he was finished. I thought he's down and out. All I wanted for him 2 years ago was some kind of normality. Never mind to the limits he's reached today. I thought we can just get him on a level keel so he can be a father to his kids, you know, and do something positive with his life. You know, but boxing and coming back to this level was a far cry. It was a dream that had been shattered. But here we are, under 2 years later.
Tanging ang kanyang kalugar na taga Manchester din at dati niyang idolo na si Ricky Hatton ang gumabay at umalalay sa kanya.
As the city's most popular pugilists.
I wouldn't have sent him out with them tactics. I was telling all my mates, oh, he don't want to be doing that, he don't want to be doing that. And he's done it. It's made me look a right idiot, to be fair, but good on you, Tyson.
Hatton helped drag Fury off the canvas and has been in his corner throughout his recovery from drink, drugs, and his darkest moments.
Bukod tanging si Ricky Hatton lang ang nakapaghikayat sa kanya na magbago at bumalik sa boxing ring.